We're done in the basic OOP and we will now learn and skill up ourselves on intermediate OOP. And here is a preview. It says FreeCodeCamp Code Warrior. Help the main player navigate to the yellow checkpoints. Use the keyboard arrows to move the player around. You can also use spacebar to jump. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Congrats. So we will be coding this one. And it will be fun. As for starter, it says, in this project, you are going to learn intermediate object-oriented programming principles by building a platformer game. All of the HTML and CSS have been provided for you, and it did. Start by using document get element by ID to get the start, btn, and canvas elements. Store them in a const variables named start button and canvas respectively. Okay, so we're keyword const first, and let's start off with the start btn variable, and right here the document, and interpolate the method get elements by id, and then the element and then the id of that element would be start dash button. We now move on to the variable canvas, const canvas document get element by id, and then the id of that canvas, and we're done. So what we did is that we declared a variable wherein we use the document to access our document file, and then use the get element by id to get the id of that element, which is a start button. And now we are able to manipulate it in our JavaScript with the variable start button, and that is also the same with the canvas, or the both of them, because we are interacting with the DOM document object model in order for us to manipulate the elements from the HTML to our JavaScript. So that would be it. Nice.